This is a half-pound hunk of pancetta that you can order in the deli at your local grocery store. It has a skin on it, so you might want to score this first. This one was already torn, so I'm just going to peel it off. You want to make sure that this is removed from your pancetta. And then what we're going to do is cut it into chunks. You could also use salami or bacon if you can't find pancetta. I like to cut it into something called lardons, which is about 1/4 of an inch by 1/4 of an inch by an inch long. You could do cubes if you like instead. Either way, you just want to cut it into small pieces. As you can see, I wasn't super precise about the way I cut these. What we're going to do now is place them into a preheated oven in a big roasting pan so that we can render the fat out. So I'm just going to lay it out in a single layer in the roasting pan. Place it in the oven that's preheated for 350 degrees. Set a timer for 20 minutes and check it after the 20 minutes. What we're looking for is for all of the fat to render out and for these to be crispy. I'll show you what I mean in 20 minutes. As you can see, after 20 minutes, it really hasn't melted out enough yet. So we're going to put this back in the oven for, oh, I don't know, I'll set the timer for another 10 minutes and see how it looks. Now you can see they are all crispy and the fat has rendered out. I'm going to add 3 pounds of chopped fresh broccoli. And 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Toss everything together. And pop it back in the oven. While it's in the oven, you have time to zest and juice 1 whole lemon. After 10 minutes, the broccoli is still a little bit crunchy. If you like your broccoli a little more well done, you could leave it in for another 5 or 10 minutes. At this point, I like to drizzle over that fresh squeezed lemon juice with the zest. And if you would like to season with salt and pepper to taste, and this is my absolute favorite way to eat broccoli. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.